Welcome to SF Institute, and in this video we are going to talk about German numbers. So, how do you say numbers? The numbers in German, die Zahlen. Die Zahlen. Okay, so let's start with 0. How do you say 0 in German? It is null, null, eins, eins, zwei, zwei, drei, drei, vier, vier. So here V is pronounced as F. So it is vier, then fünf, vier, fünf, then sechs, sechs. This S is pronounced as the sound. I'm talking about the sound, okay? Sechs. The next is sieben. Again, this is the sound. So it is sieben. Then acht, acht. Neun, neun. So here, EU, this sound, this is pronounced as oi, so it becomes nine, 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 and then 10. Zehn, zehn. Z is pronounced as z sound, so it is not exactly z or neither ch, so it is z sound. Zehn, zehn. Yeah, okay, so let's count them once again. 0 to 10. Null, eins, zwei, drei, vier, fünf, sechs, sieben, acht, neun, 10. Okay, so now we'll try to use these numbers, let's say, while telling our mobile number. Yeah, so how do you ask your mobile number? It is wie ist Ihre Handynummer? Wie ist Ihre Handynummer? Wie ist Ihre Handynummer? Word to word, it may sound like how is your mobile number, but in English we'll consider what is your mobile number. So wie ist Ihre Handynummer? And your answer will be meine Handynummer ist, then let's say 9, 6, 7, 4, 2, 1, 3, 0, 8. Ja, wir können sagen, ja, 5. So, how do you tell your mobile number then? Meine Handynummer ist 967421308 So this is how you use your numbers. Let's say now you are telling some number like how do you tell this mobile number? So you will say meine Handynummer ist 7 4 4 6 8 8 8 5 5 0. Or you can say this is 4 4, right? So 4 4, how do you say the 4 4? 2 mal 4. That means 2 times 4. So you can say, instead of saying 4 4, you can say 2 times 4. 2 mal 4. Now if it is this 888, how would you say that? Right. Drei. Drei mal 8. Dreimal 8. So it is 44888 and it is dreimal 8. Again, now you tell me, how do you say this? 55? Yes, exactly. Zweimal 4 and here it is zweimal 5. Zweimal 5. Okay, so this is how numbers we have 0 to 10 and you can use them to tell your mobile number. Okay, so just practice the numbers given below, practice some numbers, practice some mobile numbers, try telling your mobile number, and after that exercise there will be next video teaching you numbers from 11 to 20 and onwards. Okay, yeah, so go for your exercises then, don't waste time, all the best.